Alright, so the cash cow channel ideas I'm about to show you are each making well over $10,000 per month. Watch the rest of the video to find out what they are. So what's up everyone and welcome back to another video. And if you're wondering what niche to start your cash cow channel or YouTube automation channel in, you're in the right place. I've done the research for you and I'm going to go over 5 cash cow YouTube channel ideas that you can start in 2022. So let's get started. So the first idea I want to show you is a channel called Pop Juice. So Pop Juice is a celebrity channel, and as you can see, they've posted about 200 videos, and in the past 30 days, they've gotten 6 million views. Now, to equate, my celebrity channel right now is making about 1 million views is equatable to about $6,500. So 6 times $6,500, that's well over $30,000 that this channel is making. And the cool thing is that they're not even posting a lot, 25 times every month. So with this channel, you can see that they cover celebrities, and there's a lot of keywords that they're targeting. They're targeting celebrity names. So if you're an avid watcher of my videos, you know that we always target specific words or keywords, and those keywords, a good keyword to always target is specific names of celebrities, just like this channel. So if you look at their thumbnails, they also follow a split screen type style thumbnail format, right? Split screen, they only show 3 faces at most. You know, there's usually two to four figures in the thumbnail. But this channel, I don't think it's hard to run a channel like this. It just requires creating celebrity gossip videos and staying on top of whatever's trending when it comes to what happens on the news. But you can see that their most popular videos are videos that are less than 6 months old, so they're definitely doing a good job in terms of getting their videos to go viral. I imagine that their average viewer duration is what separates this channel from other channels. So take a look at this video. Take a look at this channel. Channel is called Pop Juice. If you're gonna make a celebrity channel, I highly recommend that you gain inspiration from this channel and create videos similar to them, but think of a better way in which you can do it better. So the next channel I want to go over is a finance channel. So this channel in particular is called Finance Girl, and I came across this channel recently because they have blown up really quickly. So they started earlier this year in February 17th, but as you can see, they're at 300k subscribers and they're making a lot of money. So the thing with this niche is that it's a high CPM niche. It's in the make money online niche, so they do make more per 1,000 views compared to Pop Juice. However, Pop Juice gets more views. It's more viral content. Whereas this channel, they only got around 2 million views last month. That's still over $10,000, I'm sure. Man, they're only posting every other day, so their overhead is lower. They're getting less views, but because their CPM is higher, they are making a good chunk of money. So with this type of channel, they cover just various ways. There's plenty of channels like this one, but this channel in particular does it very well. Ways to make money online ranging from any way to make money online, honestly. Here you have earn $450 typing names, make money from Google, make money from Google, make money from YouTube, make money from Google again. So they do a good job of doubling down when it comes to, okay, so making money off Google worked, let's make more Google videos. So in my Patreon, I actually go over how to double down and expedite your growth, and this channel follows a very similar path to that. But when I'm looking at this channel, there are some improvements that could be made, but I'll save that for a later video though. But moving on to the third channel that I want to go over that I recommend you starting a niche in is space. So anytime I come across a client that wants to do a technology channel or a luxury channel, I tell them to niche down, and I don't really reveal this often, but space is a sub branch of technology. I recommend that if you're in technology, the technology niche, you go into space, because these videos are super easy to go viral and you can make the thumbnails very engaging. So this is a channel called Voyager. They're at 75,000 subs, last 30 days 4 million views. So the space CPM, it's high. It's about $11 for every 1,000 views. So this channel is well making over 40 grand a month, I imagine, because 1 million views equated to about $10,000 on my space channel. So because they're getting 4 million views, they're making $40,000 per month, hands down. So with this channel, not only do they benefit from a high CPM like Finance Girl, not only do they benefit from the virality aspect like Pop Juice, they're only posting 2 videos a week. I mean, that is such a low overhead, but you can see that these types of thumbnails, they're very engaging. So I consider this a single scene type style thumbnail. And again, if you watch my other videos, I have a lot of videos explaining the different types of thumbnails, but they do a good job. Their thumbnails are very well done, and I haven't seen how old they are, but okay, they started in 2020, which again is not that old. So, but if you're gonna go into tech, or if you're already in tech, I do recommend that you throw some videos in space related to space, because space, I mean, Elon Musk is really trying to travel to space, so there's a huge space audience out there. So rather than doing top 10 yachts or top 10 fastest cars or top 10 luxurious mansions, make a video on Voyager spacecraft shocking new discovery. Okay, that's my recommendation for all you people in the tech niche. But at the same time, if you haven't started a niche yet, space is fantastic. I mean, space just fascinates everyone, I think, doesn't it? So now the fourth channel I want to go over is Enemyology. So I run an anime channel myself, and the thing with anime is that while it does benefit from virality, and this channel in particular, around 2 million views last month, 160 videos total, 130k subs, posting only 6 times a month. That's really not a lot. That's like barely one, or a little more than once a week. The only bad thing with anime is that its CPM is lower. It's actually lower than celebrities, and I used to think celebrities was low, but anime actually has a lower CPM. So, but with this channel, you can see that they go viral. These videos go viral. It builds a loyal audience. Someone who likes a certain type of anime usually tends to like other types of anime. So this channel in particular started in 2018, but I mean, me being a person who actually enjoys watching anime as well, I came across this channel and I thought it was such a brilliant idea, especially for anyone who's interested in anime as well. Why not start a faceless top 10 anime channel? And you can see that their thumbnails, they're all single scene thumbnails, but most of their images come from the actual anime itself. But you can see it's just very flashy, very bright, very contrasty. So the one thing I like about anime thumbnails or the anime niche is that you can create really good thumbnails, single scene thumbnails that pop out. Now, the last niche that I want to go over, that I recommend you going into, is, if you're an avid watcher of my YouTube channel, it's stories. Stories withstand the test of time, which is why I highly promote it, because there's so many stories to be told and people can create their own stories. And the best thing with stories is that its average view duration or watch time is extremely high. So I'm sure with these popular uploads that you see here, so first of all, this channel is called Real Facts. They got about 3 million views last month. That's about $20,000 a month. They're only posting once every 3 days. Okay, past 30 days I've only posted 10 times. But what I've noticed that with my story channel, the videos that go viral stay in the algorithm for like ever, literally. I mean, as you can see on this channel, the most popular uploads, I'm about 99% sure that these 6 videos are consistently bringing like $50, $10, $5, maybe even $100 randomly every single day. So yeah, stories. I mean, what I did with my channel is that I just hired a story writer, hired a thumbnail artist, hired a description writer, hired a voiceover artist and video editor, compiled stories, never had a copyright claim on stories before. So it's a really good niche. It's very different from what other people think. Most people tend to think of celebrities, think of sports, think of TV shows, think of our tech. Trust me, stories, it's such a good niche to go into. And the more I tell people this, I don't really find upcoming new story channels to begin with. But at the same time, I'm kind of glad. I mean, it just means less competition for me. But you can see this channel as well. They're starting another story channel called Incredible Stories. But yeah, channel like this, fantastic niche to go into. So that's all I have for this video, everyone. And so if you made it to this far, thanks so much for watching. And in the future, I'm not sure when this video is going to be released, perhaps maybe a week from now, I will be launching a Patreon in terms to help people with YouTube, get people congregated, where I'm going to basically be getting on calls, talking on Discord, and giving helpful guides and such. So if you're interested in that, do sign up. But aside from that, thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.